In this video, let's see how to send fee invoices and collect payments for the next academic year using Creo. First, we need to set up the next academic year in configurations. Here, click on the first option and click on New. Select the start and end of the academic year. Say in my case, it is 2026 to 2027. So I have created the new academic year and click on save. However, my current academic year, which is 2025-26, is still in progress. So I will keep the current year as it is. So after creating the next academic year, I'm clicking on save. Now, let's first create the fee structure for the next academic year. So in fee invoices, click on fee templates, and here I have an option to copy the fee templates of the existing academic year into the next academic year, so I don't have to create everything from the scratch. Click on the actions button and select copy fee templates option. Here I can select one or multiple fee templates from the existing academic year. I can skip if something is unnecessary and click on copy fee templates. Now it will ask you to choose the new academic year into which you want to copy. So I'm selecting 2026-27 here and click on proceed. Now all the fee templates are copied. Now for example, if I want to change the due dates or I have slightly increased the price, I am selecting one template, LKG 3 terms, and here it is showing my current academic year's due dates. So I want to change it appropriately, and say if I have increased the fee slightly, I can also make those changes. Similarly, you can edit the remaining terms as well. Once done, click on save. Similarly, you can review all your templates and make the required changes. This is a one-time setup, and with this you are sorted for the next entire academic year. Now I'll go to child invoices and start sending the invoices for the children who have confirmed the admissions for the next year. Say for example, Ria in kindergarten program will continue with us for LKG as well. Now I'll select Ria's profile and click on the plus button to add a new invoice. So here I'm selecting the next academic year and then click on select fee templates. By default it's already selected based on my previous selection, and here I'm selecting LKG 3 terms, and all the data that has been updated in my fee templates for the next academic year is reflecting here. In case if I want to make any further changes, I can do it before clicking on send. So once I click on send, Ria's parents will receive the fee templates in the parent tab. However, there's one small change I need to do. So I'm selecting the 2026-27 academic year, and in these invoices I have to change the program from kindergarten to LKG, as she's going to pay this fee for the next academic year. Similarly, make the changes for the other invoices as well. That's all. So now the parents will be able to see the fee invoices in the parent tab, and they can make the payment now itself and reserve their seat for the next academic year. This is about the existing students, and in case of completely new admissions where the student is joining the school for the next academic year, they have come and confirmed the admission, paid the fee for the next academic year now itself. In such cases, all you need to do is just create a temporary program called LKG 26-27, so that you're not confused between the current main LKG program and the admissions that are added for the next academic year. So this is more like a temporary program because your current academic year is still running. For the existing children, you don't have to create any new program. You can directly send the invoices like I have shown just now. But for the new children, you can create a program like this and create the profile and start sending the invoices. You can reuse the same fee templates that we have just created for the next academic year. And once the current academic year is done, then you can promote these children to the next programs, and with a simple program sync option you will be able to make sure all the children who are promoting from your kindergarten program to LKG and the new children that are directly taking admission for LKG, everyone will be moved to the LKG program with just a few clicks. That is covered in another video which you can check out.